Hi, this is Soudamini Sripada. I worked as principal data scientist at Microsoft India R&D. During my 18 years tenure with Microsoft India, I shipped multiple features at scale in Windows and Bing search engine. I was on interview panel for about 15 years. During this process, I have interviewed more than 500 candidates. One common mistake that most of the interviewees does is jumping into solution without understanding the problem. Understanding the problem first is super important even in the real world scenarios. If you are looking to transition into data science career path, it's important to understand a strong foundations of mathematical, theoretical and practical aspects of machine learning or deep learning. If you are looking to switch your career path as data scientist, or if you are applying for product based company interviews, or you are looking to enhance your profile by adding more skills and practical projects, you can connect me.